Today we are discussing interview questions for ServiceNow, Service Mapping and Discovery. You can download the complete list of interview questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on ServiceNow Service Mapping and Discovery is: explain the concept of discovery probes in ServiceNow and how they are utilized in the data collection process. Your answer should be: discovery probes in ServiceNow are scripts or programs responsible for collecting raw data from target devices during the discovery process. They interact with devices using specific protocols or methods such as SNMP, WMI, or SSH to gather information. Probes initiate data collection and pass the collected raw data to discovery sensors for interpretation. Custom probes can be created to handle unique devices or technologies that require specialized data collection methods. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow Service Mapping and Discovery is: how can ServiceNow Discovery be configured to handle scenarios where devices have multiple network interfaces or IP addresses? And what considerations are important in such cases? Your answer should be: configuring ServiceNow Discovery for devices with multiple network interfaces or IP addresses involves: first point, adjusting patterns and sensors to recognize and interpret data from multiple interfaces. Next point is configuring identification rules that consider additional attributes beyond IP addresses. Next point is ensuring that reconciliation rules can handle scenarios where devices change or have multiple IP addresses. Next point is utilizing unique identifiers or attributes associated with each network interface. Our last point is collaborating with network administrators to ensure accurate representation and mapping. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow Service Mapping and Discovery is: in a ServiceNow Discovery implementation, how does the load balancer discovery process work and what types of information are typically collected? If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certifications, you can download the current, valid, and updated questions from the description. Now moving towards the answer. Your answer should be: load balancer discovery in ServiceNow involves using specialized probes and sensors to collect information about load balancers. The process includes: first point, utilizing load balancer specific probes to interact with load balancer devices. Second point is collecting details about load balancer configurations, virtual servers, and server pools. Our next point is mapping relationships between load balancers and associated components. Next point is storing information about load balancing algorithms and health checks. Our last point is providing visibility into the distribution of traffic and potential points of failure. If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certifications, You can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description. You can also download the complete list of scenario-based questions from the link provided in the description. Do you have any better solution in your mind? Please write that in the comment section. We can discuss it further. If you want to go for any ServiceNow certifications, you can find the current, valid, and updated questions tutorials in the description. All the best.